Welcome back to the Dividend Diplomats YouTube channel, guys. It's Bert, it's Lanny, it's Bert, your favorite dividend investing channel. And guys, we are back with not one, two, three, four, but we are doing the 5 videos a week with the You Pick Stock Pick of the Week from your boys over here,
Oh,
the DD.
let's go. But before we get into the picks, smash that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up. Holla at your boys. Help us get to 19,000 subscribers. Thanks for getting us to 18. Now let's march on to 19 and then 20. This is going to be a fun one because what happened today? Browns pitched a shutout. Oh, you were going for the swag. I saw how the Browns shut out a backup rookie quarterback. Doesn't matter how it happened. It happened. We needed the victory. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about two potential victories for our portfolios and your portfolios.
Birds Buckeyes won as well in nice fashion. So it was
Yeah.
a nice overall winning weekend.
Positive vibes.
Unfortunately, the Cavs did lose the other night, but they currently are beating the Golden State Warriors right now at home as we are recording this video.
Yeah, so this Monday video here, it's a quick one. It's a quick hitter. We're going to talk about each of us pick a stock for the week that we're either buying, we're following, we're going from there, share some metrics, and share a brief summary for why. That's the point of our video. This is our stock pick'em video.
Yeah, the quick two pick stock picks from Bert and Lanny, guys. These are two stocks that we own. These are the two highest priority stocks we're watching. Not necessarily buying right out of the gate, but they're the two stocks that our binoculars are up because we want to own more of these companies. So, Bert, hit them hard with your pick for the week.
This one's out of left field. This company I haven't talked about in a long time, but my wife owns it. This is a position I would freaking love to build if we have the opportunity to do so. And you know what? After earnings were released, this Dividend King tumbled. Even though they were up 5% this last week, like every other company, they're still down 21% year to date, down 25% over the last 52 weeks. The company that I'm going to talk about today is Genuine Parts Company, ticker symbol GPC. The secondary auto parts maker continues to crush it. They continue to absolutely destroy it, and it is phenomenal. Their metrics are looking hot too. 13.55 PE ratio. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. 13.55 PE ratio. 38% payout ratio. 5.73% 5-year dividend growth rate. They have increased that dividend for 66 consecutive years. Yes, they are a dividend king, and their yield is 2.84%. That is the company on my watch list. And you know what else happened? They just released earnings a couple weeks ago, which caused the price to drop until it came back up. Sales were up 2% over year to date. Net income was up 12% year over year. Earnings were strong. They were solid. And on top of that, management reaffirmed the guidance. So they're talking about how there's going to be revenue growth, earnings growth, and strong free cash flow growth. So you know what? Metrics look great. Earnings results look great. This is why it screamed up to the top of my top stock pick watch list for the week, Lanny.
Down 25% over the last year, 21% year to date. Dividend King recently increased their dividend earlier this year by over 6%, beating their 5-year average. The low dividend payout ratio, Bert. I know what it's time to do for you.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. So that was mine, Lanny. Why don't we kick this ball over to you? Tell us about yours.
All right, guys, we are back here talking about Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN. Same stock from last week. Why? Because, guys, if you haven't caught the video on Sunday, try not to time the market. I have my price point ready. Right now they trade at $40.68. I want to see them below 39.60. So just a hair lower, I'll say a hair, but a couple percent lower, just because Bert's stock was $134. Being a $40+ stock, a dollar plus off the share price is over
Yeah.
2.5% there. But really quick, they fully released earnings. Net asset value did increase to 28.33. That was up $1.25 per share. They did raise that dividend again this year. They do it a couple times every year. So that dividend going into Q1 of 24, they usually announce the whole quarter. They pay monthly. So that is 24 cents every month going forward into 24 from 23.5 cents. And they also announced their lovely special dividend for the quarter. They usually do this almost on a quarterly basis, obviously dependent upon earnings, of 27.5 cents, consistent with last quarter's special dividend. Return on equity was over 17.5% for the quarter. So, guys, they usually trade around the most common place I've seen over the last 14, 15 years of the stock price's history. I've typically seen about a premium of 40% to the net asset value. So that's why that 39.67 kind of is like my ceiling right now on buying Main Street Capital. So there you have it. Main up 10% this year,
Hmm.
0.6% over the last 5 days. My average price points in this 38-ish range right now. I only have $800 worth of Main, and I wanted to make this a bigger stock position. So that is why it is number one on the one stock I am keeping my eyes on for the week.
Love it. So I'm watching Genuine Parts Company, Lanny's top pick, Main Capital. Everyone, let us know what your top picks for the week are. We're looking forward to it. How many Dividend Kings, Dividend Aristocrats, or other ones are going to make the top of that list? And Lanny, what else do these people need to do here?
Save your money, invest, get to financial freedom, build that passive income stream. Oh, and you're either rocking with us or you're against us. Jack, that was Bert, the Hurt Man, and Lanny from the Dividend Diplomats, over and out.